In a survival or self-defense scenario, your folding knife is the most critical tool you can carry. For 2026, the industry has pushed the boundaries of speed, strength, and concealment, delivering folders that hit as hard as fixed blades. We are looking at the elite lineup of the year, from lightning-fast assisted openers to rock-solid tactical workhorses that refuse to fail. Whether you need a discreet urban backup or a rugged wilderness companion, these are the 10 ultimate folding knives engineered for survival and self-defense. The CIVIVI Yonder is officially the best buy of the year for 2024, and in 2026, it remains a top-tier choice for any survival or self-defense rotation. Designed by Zach Whitmore, this folder is built for those who need a compact, hard-to-use tool that feels almost weightless in the pocket while delivering full-sized cutting performance. It features a 2.88-inch spade point blade, crafted from premium Sandvik 1 stainless steel, known for its incredible toughness and corrosion resistance. The overall length is a discreet 6.62-inch with a closed length of 3.74-inch. Despite its solid full tang feel and contoured G10 or micarta handles, it weighs in at just 2.53 ounce. Equipped with a smooth crossbar lock and caged ceramic ball bearings, the Yonder offers lightning-fast, ambidextrous deployment. The Kizer Original 2 is a refined evolution of one of the beloved EDC folders in the industry. For 2026, it remains a standout due to its clean minimalist lines and integration of Kizer's innovative clutch lock system, which allows you to adjust the internal spring tension for a truly custom opening and closing experience. It features a razor-sharp 3.2-inch blade, typically crafted from Elite S4 steel for superior edge retention. The overall length of the knife is 7.31-inch, offering a full hand grip while maintaining a slim pocket profile. The blade thickness is a precision-cut 0.11-inch. Despite its robust feel and titanium or aluminum handle scales, it is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 3.38 ounce. With its reversible deep carry clip, it is an essential, high-performance ambidextrous masterpiece. The original Squid was a legend, but the CRKT Squid XM takes that iconic Lucas Burnley design and gives it the extra reach you've been waiting for. This extra medium folder is the perfect solution for those who love the Squid's famous ergonomics, but need a more capable blade for heavy-duty survival and tactical tasks. It features a 2.95-inch drop-point blade, crafted from high-performance D2 steel, ensuring excellent edge retention and piercing power. The overall length of the knife is 7.03-inch, with a closed length of 4.11-inch. Despite its beefy frame lock and G10 handle scales, it remains a streamlined carry at exactly 3.60 ounce. With a lightning-fast assisted opening flipper and IKBS ball bearing pivot, this blade is built to deploy instantly when every second counts. In a world of tightening knife laws, the Good Worker Legal Pocket Knife is a tactical revelation for 2026. Designed specifically to navigate strict carry regulations without sacrificing defensive utility, this non-locking folder is the ultimate choice for the law-abiding traveler or urban commuter who refuses to go unprotected. It features a sharp-to-point 9.5-inch drop-point blade, keeping it safely under the common 3-inch legal limit. The blade is crafted from durable 440C high-carbon stainless steel, offering excellent rust resistance. The overall length is 7.71-inch, with a closed length of 3.75-inch. Despite its legal-friendly slip joint design and aluminum handle, it remains a sturdy tool weighing in at 4.13 ounce. It is a discreet, high-utility masterpiece that proves legal can still be lethal. Designed for those who demand uncompromising performance, the Benchmade Claymore is a rugged, battle-ready automatic knife built to endure. Its 3.60-inch CPMD to steel blade delivers exceptional edge retention and cutting power, finished in stealthy black for a tactical look. The push-button opener ensures rapid deployment, while the integrated safety lock prevents accidental activation. Perfect for law enforcement, military personnel, or serious EDC enthusiasts. Crafted with olive drab green grivery handle scales, this knife offers a lightweight yet robust grip, resistant to harsh weather and heavy use. Its button lock mechanism guarantees secure operation, and the reversible deep carry clip allows for discreet, tip-up pocket carry. At 3.87 ounces, the Claymore is surprisingly light for its size, making it an effortless everyday companion. Built in the USA with Benchmade's legendary craftsmanship, the Claymore is a knife that won't just last, it's one you can rely on for life. Designed for tactical performance and everyday reliability, the SOG Kiku folder blends high-end materials with precision craftsmanship. Featuring an assisted opening mechanism, this knife deploys instantly, making it a trusted companion for self-defense, survival, or EDC. The razor-sharp S35VN steel blade offers exceptional edge retention, toughness, and wear resistance, ensuring it's always ready for action. Complementing the blade, the linen micarta handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, whether wet or dry, while developing a unique patina over time. Built for those who demand durability, control, and style, the Kiku folder is a bold statement of strength and sophistication. Whether you're navigating the outdoors or carrying it for daily protection, this refined yet powerful folder delivers when it matters most. Compact yet powerful, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is the perfect everyday carry for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. With a 3.1-inch blade crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, this knife excels in cutting, slicing, and piercing tasks. Its partially serrated clip-point blade enhances versatility, making it suitable for a variety of situations. Designed for quick access, the thumb studs allow seamless one-handed operation, while the durable aluminum handle provides a secure grip. At just 7.1 inches overall and weighing 3.5 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry without compromising strength. This folding knife includes a reliable liner lock to ensure safety during use and a pocket clip for convenient everyday carry. Whether on a camping trip or navigating urban challenges, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops is a dependable tool built to perform when you need it most. For an everyday carry knife that's fast, functional, and ultra-lightweight, the Kershaw Appa is a top-tier choice. Its 2.75-inch reverse tanta blade slices through boxes, rope, and more with ease, while the stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting sharpness. Plus, the cutouts in the handle reduce weight without sacrificing strength, making it an ideal companion for hiking, work, or daily tasks. Equipped with speed-safe assisted opening, the Appa deploys instantly with a simple flipper action, and the liner lock secures the blade for confident handling. Whether you prefer a pocket clip or lanyard carry, this knife adapts to your needs with its reversible clip and lanyard hole. At just under 2 ounces, the Kershaw Appa is designed for effortless portability while delivering maximum cutting performance. When you need a knife that's light, fast, and always ready, this EDC workhorse won't disappoint. Built for hard-hitting performance, the Boker Plus Strike delivers quick deployment and precision cutting in a rugged, tactical design. Its D-to-steel drop-point blade, finished in black, slices through daily tasks with ease, while the textured aluminum handle provides a secure, ergonomic grip for confident use. With its push-button automatic opening, the Strike springs into action at a moment's notice. A secondary safety lock ensures no accidental misfires, while the plunge lock mechanism secures the blade during heavy use. Whether clip tip up or tip down, the deep carry pocket clip keeps it discreet and ready for action. From EDC to tactical situations, the Boker Plus Strike blends speed, strength, and control into a reliable cutting tool. If you're looking for an automatic folder that performs under pressure, the Boker Plus Strike won't disappoint. The Civivi Praxis is a tactical folding knife built for reliability and performance. With a 0.12-inch thin, sharp-point blade, it's perfect for piercing and precision tasks, ensuring you're always ready for any cutting challenge. Whether you're working or out in the field, this knife offers smooth and decisive action for quick deployment. The lightweight Boker wood handle provides superior ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip with every use. Featuring ball bearings in the pivot, the Praxis opens effortlessly, combining ease of use with precision. Designed for everyday carry, the reversible deep carry pocket clip lets you carry the Praxis discreetly, making it ideal for both work and collection. At just 3.99 ounces, it's a solid yet unobtrusive companion for any task. If you're looking for a high-performance folder with style and strength, the Civivi Praxis is ready for the challenge.